Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the ergonomic chair from Magic Life. The model is called Siren. I'll show you how it looks. On top we have the headrest. It is adjustable. The height can be adjusted by approximately 6 centimeters. This is the lowest point right now and it can go up all the way here. The angle can be adjusted as well by approximately 60 degrees. It has unique design of the frame in the back. It has adjustable lumbar support. Right now it's fully retracted to the back. So if I turn this knob counterclockwise, the support will go forward by approximately 3 centimeters. And you can also adjust the height of the support by approximately 4 centimeters. This will allow you to adjust it depending on your height and how you sit in the chair. Both the headrest and the backrest have a breathable mesh material, which is quite comfortable and should last for a long time. Armrests are made of soft touch material. Only the height can be adjusted by approximately 10 centimeters. They can go this high, and this is the lowest point. The sponge cushion is quite thick, approximately 3 inches. It is covered with linen cloth. Linen can withstand a lot of wear and tear. The seat is quite comfortable. It's not too soft, not too hard. It's, I would say, pretty balanced. The seat height can be adjusted by lifting this lever like this. And as you can see, it actually goes quite high. This means that it can easily accommodate people over 6 feet. This is the lowest position right now. Angle of tilt of the backrest can be adjusted in 4 different positions. Right now it is locked in 90-degree position. This is the best position for working. Once you pull the handle to the right, you'll be able to lean backwards. So to lock the next position, you have to slightly lean backward and push it back in. And it will lock itself in 110 degrees right now. This is how it looks. You have a slight lean, you have backrest. To keep leaning backwards, again release it. It will still stay in this position, so I'll push it backwards a little bit. You can either go back all the way, or you can go and lean a little bit more. And now it will be locked in 120-degree position. Repeat the procedure, go all the way back, and this is the 130-degree position. This is the best position for relaxing between work. You can watch a video or simply sit and relax. And as I said, the headrest works perfectly in this chair. The base of the chair consists of the central piece and 5 feet. They had to be assembled during the installation, and this is how our wheels look like. To sum it up, guys, it's quite a comfortable chair. The cat will fit as well if he wants to stay. As I said before, we have a headrest which supports your neck, can be adjusted. We have 4 different positions for our backrest, which can be locked. The lumbar support is adjustable as well, and for me personally it does provide great support. Overall, so far I'm quite happy with this purchase. If you guys are interested, I will also leave you the link in the description, and right now I will show you how the installation was done. This is a box with our chair. Again, the brand is Magic Life. The model is Siren. As you can see, the box is actually quite compact, but it is heavy. It weighs around 18.5 kilograms. Inside the box we've got the manual. Right here we have the set with the bolts and the Allen tool. This is a decorative cover. Right here we have the gas spring and the wheels. This is the base where the feet will be attached. We've got two armrests. This is a headrest, and as you guys can see, everything is very well packaged. And these are the feet for our chair. This is a bracket that will support the backrest. This is the tilt mechanism. This is how it looks on the inside. This is our backrest. And the last is the seat cushion. First we will install the feet. You have to insert it like this, approximately at 45-degree angle, and then just push down all the way. And then you just repeat with the rest of the feet. I'll do one more. Then first align it at about 45-degree angle and then push in all the way. Now I will insert the wheels or the casters. Just push them in one by one, same idea. Now the gas spring goes in. Now we will install this plate to our backrest. You have to find the side with 4 openings for the bolts. Insert it right here and you'll see again 4 more openings for the bolts. We will use these OM60 by 20 4 bolts. There are actually 5 of them, so 1 is extra. We'll use 4. Bolts together with the washers go on top. Now we'll use the Allen key that comes in the set to tighten all 4 bolts. Now we will install our arm rests. For them we'll use P bolts M6 by 30. There are 6 of them plus 1 extra. Our armrests are labeled. This one is the left. You see L right here, and you will see L on the seat as well, and right or R on the other side. So the L will go right here. Now we'll use our bolts. And repeat the process on the right side. So before I tighten them all the way, I'll just push them all the way in. Now the tilt mechanism will go on. As you can see, it says front right here, and there is also front on the seat as well. So basically it has to face the same way, and align it with the holes. And for this one we'll use these N bolts. Now we can install the backrest. It goes underneath this bracket this way, and we'll use 3M bolts now. I'm trying to align them approximately in the middle. Now our whole assembly will go on top of the base. Turn it around and carefully put it on top. Now we will use 2 Q bolts to install our headrest. And the final step, we will install the decorative covers. One of them hides these bolts right here, and one more goes right here. And that's it. Our beautiful chair is fully assembled.